Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode and explain all of its settings on your OPPO Find X5 Pro, but it also works the same way on any OPPO Find X5 series like X5 Lite or just normal X5. So in order to open our battery saving, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find battery, and from here you can enable battery power saving mode right here, or enable super power saving mode right here. So now let's disable that and let me explain all of its settings. So if we go to power saving mode, as you can see, if we enable it, it will last our phone will last about 1 day and 5 hours instead of 7 hours. No, right now it's 1 day and 3 hours, sorry. And if we go to power saving mode, we can enable it right here, as I mentioned, and we'll see one more option after doing so. So let's go to default optimization, and here you'll be able to customize how your phone will save battery. You can enable to reduce screen brightness, so when you're in a power saving mode, the phone will reduce your screen brightness. Next option is to change auto screen off time to 15 seconds. Disable background sync, so for example if you have Google Photos or any app that just uploads something to the cloud, it won't work. You can lower screen refresh rate as well. Let's go back and we can see two more settings. So the first one is turn off automatically, and it will actually just turn off your power saving mode when you charge your phone to around 90%. The next option is to turn on at specified battery level, and if you press it, the new setting will pop up. So here you can customize when the battery power saving mode will engage itself. So for example, we can set it to 30%, and when our phone drops to 30%, it will automatically change to battery power saving mode. Let's go back, and from here we can also enable super power saving mode. So if we enable it, our phone will change dramatically. It will just have less HUD, and it will engage the dark mode, and we won't be able to access any apps unless we add them here. So let's press add, and you can add any app to be able to use it when in extreme power saving mode. And now let's go back. And as you can see, it will increase our battery lifetime to 1 day and 18 hours. So that's about 15 hours of additional battery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.